In enhanced measurement, the built-in GA4 video tracking automatically tracks video engagement. Yes, that's correct, but tracks only when visitor engage 90%. Inshallah, today I will show how to track Embed YouTube video custom engagement using Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 in very easy way. Navigate Google Tag Manager account, then trigger. Go to New, trigger configuration, select YouTube video. We want to track all of capture, so enable off all. Now input here our custom percentage. Enable add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos. Let's the trigger name. Then save. If you have not enabled the variable yet, please enable variable this way. Go to variable, configure, find out video variable and enable off all box. You will see loading and saving message during the process. Then preview and continue. Now we go to GA4 account, admin, then data stream. Go to our property, click on gear icon and disable video engagement. For that reason, we have created a custom video track and there also an automatic track by default. If we don't disable the automatic track, the video track event will fire twice when a visitor interacts with the video. Then save. Now we back to GTM and move to track, new, tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event and input here our GA4 account measurement ID. Then event name, video underscore, then click on plus icon. Find out video status and select. Then go to event parameter and add parameter. If we go to GA4 Analytics event parameters, we find out video parameter, video current time, video duration, video percent, video provider, video title, video URL. Now just copy paste all of these parameter. Now add value. Click on plus icon, scroll down and select video current time for video current time parameter and same action for all of these parameter. At end, add of all value, go to trigger and select GA4YT video status. That's what we created. Let's name the tag, then save. Now test is our tag set up properly. Click on preview, then continue. Let's play the video. Go to tag assistant, click on continue. GA4YT video status tag fired with custom percentage. That's it.